On today's quick fix, I'm going to show you an easy way to freshen up the interior of your 94 through 2004 Mustang. Believe it or not, my 1996 Mustang Cobra still has the original 22-year-old floor mats in it. And the car only has 68,000 miles, but the floor mats it's amazing they survived this long. But at this point, they are dirty, they're worn out, and a fresh set of mats will really freshen up the interior of this car. The mats I'm going to install are from Lloyd Mats. They're going to be direct replacement for your factory mats. Now, I'm sure at this point you're wondering, why are we doing an installation video on floor mats, as there's not much more things that are easier to install. The reason we're doing it is a lot of customers have questioned the fact there's actually two holes on these. This one is going to use the factory mount. This one here is actually a mount that's included. We're going to show you how to install it. But again, these mats will be a direct replacement. They're available in the plain shown here, but also with a lot of different embroidered logos such as Cobra, Mach 1, or GT. And the back is actually heavy rubber, and it has a stud so the mat doesn't move around. Between the studs and dual mounting points, this mat's going to stay much more attached to the car than a factory style mat. Now, removal of the factory mat's obviously very easy. You have this clip down here. You kind of just pick up and sort of pull it backwards. Then we can remove our factory mat. Now, if this clip in your car is missing or damaged, we do offer replacements. Installation is very simple, just a small slit in the carpet and it clips into place. Now, this is the clip that Lloyd Mats includes, and the way this mounts is a little different than the factory one. Instead of like cutting into the carpet and clamping on it, you simply are just going to thread it into place. So what you want to do is put your new mat into place, figure out where this hook's going to go, then we'll press it down in the carpet. So get the factory clip into place, get the mat right where you want it. Once we have this other clip in place, again, get it where you want it so it's going to hold it down. Hold the clip. What you'll do is push down and just thread it into the carpet. So with that threaded on, I'll pull the mat back over the hook. Then simply replace the other three mats and your installation's finished. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.